Hello, I'm meteorologist Vaughn Smith. Welcome to the National Weather Service Weekly Weather Briefing for Thursday, September 19th, 2013. The next 7 days will start off dry across north and central Georgia, with a frontal system moving through the area this weekend. This front will bring showers and isolated thunderstorms to the state through Tuesday before a strong high-pressure ridge clears things out by Wednesday of next week. High pressure over the eastern seaboard and the southeastern states should keep north and central Georgia precipitation free through Friday afternoon and evening. There is a little bit of moisture across extreme north Georgia, so we may see an isolated shower or two, but nothing significant expected. The frontal boundary across Nebraska and Colorado will move southeastward and become our next weather maker. This front will move across Kentucky and Tennessee and push south into North Georgia Saturday. Precipitation chances will be on the high side with a 60% chance or greater across much of the state. As this frontal system moves through the area, there is very little instability with it, so expecting mainly showers and isolated thunderstorms. The frontal boundary begins to slow down as it moves into South Georgia, which will keep precipitation chances across the area through Monday. This front eventually stalls somewhere across central and South Georgia Monday. At the same time, a high-pressure ridge over the Midwestern and Great Lakes states begins to strengthen and push southward. This ridge will eventually push this boundary south of the state, clearing things out by Wednesday of next week. This is a 5-day basin average total of precipitation amounts we can expect to see through Tuesday morning. It looks like the majority of the area will see 1 to 2 inches of precipitation, with isolated areas of higher amounts. This will be some much welcomed rain, as the soils across the state have been able to dry out from all the rain we received back in June, July, and August. This amount of precipitation should not cause any flooding concerns. Low temperatures will stay mainly in the upper 50s to lower 60s across North Georgia and mid to upper 60s across Central Georgia through next week. High temperatures will stay mainly in the upper 60s to middle 70s across North Georgia and upper 70s to middle 80s across Central Georgia through next week. Even with the frontal system moving through our area Saturday and through Monday, there should not be much fluctuation in the temperatures over the next 7 days. The tropics are still fairly active as we are in the peak of hurricane season. Humberto is expected to continue moving northeast and away from the United States. The small area of low pressure circled in red located over the southwestern Gulf of Mexico is producing disorganized showers and thunderstorm activity near the coast of the Bay of Campeche. Conditions still appear conducive for the formation of a tropical depression over the next day or two. The area of cloudiness and showers circled in yellow, located midway between the Bahamas and Bermuda, are associated with a frontal trough. Upper-level winds do not appear conducive for significant tropical development. However, an area of low pressure is forecast to form in this area over the next few days. None of the current systems are forecast to affect the southeastern U.S. The best chances for showers and isolated thunderstorms will be Saturday through Monday evening along and ahead of the cold front. Mainly 1 to 2 inches of precipitation is expected with isolated higher amounts. Severe weather is not expected. Temperatures mainly in the upper 60s to mid 80s, and the tropics are still active, but no storms are expected to impact the southeast U.S. through next week. Thank you for watching our weekly weather briefing, and we will be back next week to discuss it again. Thank you.